Aeneas in the back holding the camera. Maybe you can give him a wave in the front. There you go.
Hey.
There's Aeneas. Yeah. So he's actually trusting me right now, and I'm gonna try welding with this FTW tube to sheet welder.
Get low when the whistle go.
You can look at the weight of the bag here.
Okay.
How much?
59 pounds.
Okay.
Can anybody guess where I'm at right now?
Houston.
What's up, everybody? It's another freaking week. It's gonna be an awesome week, actually, because we're doing more Grand Slam welding challenges with our distribution down in Texas. Sunny Texas, to be exact, sunny Texas. But today, it's not so sunny. It's actually raining, folks. It's raining. So this is what we're gonna be doing all week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, then flying to Chicago. Hopefully it's a wonderful one. See you here in a few. Look where I landed, Fronius, Houston. That's what's up, first time here. Got my welding machine, my TransSteel 2200 too.
TransSteel!
We call this flex track. Tube to sheet welder. Prepping for the training tomorrow. We got Aeneas over there in the back helping me with some 220 volt power. We got our TransSteel 2200 right there on 230 volt. TransSteel 2700. One of our orbital setups. TPSI. Another TransSteel 2200. Check out this compact ladder. We got enough coupons for an army.
Yeah!
Check out all these coupons. $60,000 aluminum, 60,000 stainless, 304, quarter inch 304, quarter inch. That's where I'm staying tonight. Bet you can't guess it. The good old Staybridge Suites. Staying at the Staybridge Suites all week. Oh yeah. Still part of the IHG. It's all about them points. Check in, get some food, call it a night, start tomorrow with some training. See you guys later.
Good morning, Starshine. The Earth says hello.
Everybody, it's Tuesday. We got another fun-filled day of training on some new equipment for distributors down in Houston, Texas. Check out these ducks. Look at the bill on this one right here. They get pretty close, man. They're like some of these squirrels in Michigan that we got. Anyways, got to pick up some donuts, some coffee, get set up. Everybody's getting here at 9. I got my freaking hands full. The coffee's burning my arm right now, so I'll see you here in a little bit. I made it to Fronius in Houston. I got C4, I got Victor Welding Supply, I got Sandra. and Danny, and some donuts. Check out these donuts. Shipley, it's where it's at. What's going on?
You should put it on.
We got a visitor.
Oh.
What's your name
What's
again?
up? Roger.
All right, we got Roger. And we have Aeneas. What are we working on?
Tube to tube sheet. Orbital big welding. Split bending. With internal wire feeder. And we have one control box that this guy is controlling the gun and also communicate to the weld machine. So, with there.
Guess what, everybody? We have a late joiner, Mr. J Swan or Jason.
Hey, what's going on?
We're gonna walk into C4 Incorporated to see what they have in this little facility here. Nah, it's not little. It's not little.
Not bad.
No.
I like the bars.
I like the bars. Yeah, let's go. You ready? So they got AccuPocket and a Trans Pocket.
Local C4 guy? Yeah, one of them, yeah. Inside sales. Yeah, right. How many outside sales?
A few moments later.
I'm here with Altex Welding Supply with Hull and Austin, and we're welding with the TransSteel 2200 today. Tack it to the top of this plate right here. Just move that plate over, yep. See right here, we set the combo timer. Run the pull out plate. Good. A poor man's pulse on
Driving on the
pulse.
highway. What is this highway?
Sam Houston Boulevard?
Yes,
Something like that.
1960.
Yeah.
Exit the FM.
Yeah. Well, we're going to Papa Do's.
Papa Do's.
Papa Do's,
Papa
meeting
Do's.
Red Bull Oxygen for some dinner.
Dinner.
Jason said he's getting lobster. Yeah, right.
Yeah. Lobster, coffee, and a Bush Light.
Yeah, Bush Light. Yeah, I don't know a bar that serves Bush Light unless it's in a can.
Yeah, they probably don't have it down this way.
Yeah.
It's only in God's country.
Yeah. Guess what? It's day 3. And usually on day 3, I start bogging down. I start talking a little bit tired. And I think that's the case today as well. Plus, I think I got arc flash. Look at this eyeball right here. We are set up for the Red Ball Oxygen training. Look at this. Look at all this giveaway stuff. A bunch of paper. You want a bunch of paper? All right, let's get this show on the road.
TPSI for root on a PMC motor. This root was done with a single pass with a very small weave and a fill, and then we had a cap. This thing more or less looks like a sub-arc in the weld. Whenever you get down to it, you look at the toe and everything else. It's a good clean weld, everything's set up.
settings are on here anyways.
You have the height for the adjustable height for the ACC. You have the side holds for your hold to the left or hold to the right for the sides of your weld if you're doing a
Different weave pattern.
different weave pattern. You can do stitch welding in regards to it. You can do straight welding. We have the ability to save jobs based on each of these functions. We can push these two together and it'll save a job. We can call a job based on the different modes. We have side tracking for the torch head. It'll move in and out.
Fronius in Houston, Texas. I got Aeneas in the back holding the camera. Maybe you can give him a wave in the front. There you go. There's Aeneas, yeah. So he's actually trusting me right now, and I'm gonna try welding with this FTW2 to sheet welder. So what we're gonna do is line this up, make sure it fits in, just like so. As long as we have 2 points of contact, that should be good enough. And then here we engage the contact until it pulls back.
Fire in the hole.